Assalamu alaikum. This video is for LS2 and 3 mathematics. So here we have question number 13. In question number 13, the first part is we have to find the length of the arc. So we have to simply find the arc length. So we will simply apply the formula r theta. Radius is known 15 centimeter and theta is also known 1.2 radians. So we will simply put the values and get the answer. Now we have to find the area of the shaded region. So for shaded region in the question, you can see in question number 13, they have given us a condition here: 2 OK equals to 3 BK. OK is this length and BK is this length. So 2 times of OK, 2 times of this length is equals to 3 times of this length, 3 BK. This is a relation that they have given us previously in the questions, and we have to use it to find the unknown sides of the right angle triangle, the base and the perpendicular. We will not use the previously used trigonometric identities. We will use this relation to find the unknown sides. So let's see. We have used this relation here again. So OK is at its place, BK is multiplying here with 3, here it will divide, and then 2 again, 2 is multiplying, here it will divide. So we have just replaced them in the cross fashion. So this is equation 1, equation A I have named it here. Now from looking in the diagram, we have created this relation that OB, the whole length OB from O to B is equals to OK and BK. If we add these two sides from BK and side OK, we will get the entire length OB. Okay, so we have used this relation here, OB equals to BK plus OK. Now in this, if we look closely in this fraction, OK is the length that we require. And BK is still unknown, so we cannot use we cannot put any value of BK, so we have to replace it with some values which we know. So I am replacing it here. We are using this relation, and after rearranging, plus OK will be there, it will be minus OK. So OB minus OK equals to BK, BK equals to OB minus OK. Now I will replace this BK in the equation with the BK equals to OB minus OK. So I have done it here. Now we will use this relation OK equals to OB minus OK equals to 3/2. Now we have to distribute the denominator here. Okay, so we have to switch the sides of the equation. So OK will be now in the denominator and OB minus OK will be in the numerator. Same will go here, 2 will be up and then 3 will be in the denominator. So after doing this, we break the denominator. OK will go individually in the denominator of both of them, OB divided by OK and OK divided by OK. So OB divided by OK will remain like this, OK divided by OK will be cancelled by 1, OB upon OK minus 1 equals to 2/3. Now minus 1 will be shift there, it will be plus 1, and then it will be 5/3. Now we have to shift it again, OK will go up and OB will go down. Here again, let me show you with the help of the arrows here. This is the stage where I have used the switch here, okay, and here also. So this will go up and this will go down. So this is how we can use the shift method. Okay, so OK is in the numerator and OB is in the denominator. So this is how we will solve. We want the length of OK, so OB will be, it's here dividing, there it will multiply, and in this fashion we can easily find the value of OK. Okay, now here we have found this side OK, which you can see in the diagram is our base side. Okay, the angle is here and the 90-degree angle is making here, so this side is our base. Now in the formula we need the perpendicular here as well. Okay, so to find the perpendicular, we will use the formula using sine theta to find perpendicular, that is the length AK. So to find the length AK, I am using the formula of sine equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular, as you can see, is this side here, and hypotenuse is here given 15 centimeter. So I will put all these values in the formula and I will get the value of perpendicular, which is 14 centimeter. Now I have to find the area of the right angle triangle. This is the thing which we are doing again. We will find the area of the right angle triangle and then we will subtract it from the area of the entire arc. So area of the right angle triangle is 1/2 base into perpendicular. Base and perpendicular we all know. We will put the values, we will get the answer 63 centimeter square. Now we will find the area of the entire arc, 1/2 r square theta. R we know, theta we know. We will simply put the values, and at the end we will subtract this value of entire arc from we will subtract this and subtract 63 from 135. So I will get the answer 72 centimeter square, which is my answer. Jazakallah.